where precision meets innovation. GerMedUSA, an ISO-certified instrument manufacturer and supplier, with the collaboration of licensed surgeons and advanced manufacturing techniques. We design quality instruments for optimal performance, trusted by professionals worldwide, established as a reliable name in the industry, 30+ years of expertise, proven track record of excellence, offering instruments for every surgical specialty, all in one place. The ultimate surgical catalog. Discover the complete range of instruments, crafted from medical-grade materials, German stainless steel, and tungsten carbide inserts. Super sharp tungsten carbide, transforming surgical approach with custom manufactured instruments. Your vision, our mission. Tailored solutions for every procedure. Share your custom instrument requirements with us. We'll manufacture it. Ready to upgrade your surgery kits? Explore our catalog and find the instruments you need. Buy now at GerMedUSA, your trusted partner